Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Instrumentation and Control. Today's our topic is different types of basic comparison functions in the unit number 11, the basic comparison function. In the last session, we will study about the different types of basic comparison function. So we have only two types of basic comparison function that is used in the PLC ladder diagram, that is equal to and the greater than equal to. So other function that is used for the comparison function is not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to and less than or equal to. So using the basic comparison function, we have to draw the ladder diagram for this other comparison function. Now, in the last session, we will derive the function for the equal number. Okay, so today we will start for the not equal to function. Okay, not equal to compare function. Okay, now as you remember that not equal to compare function, it is not a direct function that is used in the PLC programming. So we have to compulsory derive the not equal to compare function using equal to or the greater than equal to compare function. So first of all, we have to draw the ladder diagram using the direct function that we have to derive in the last session. So the direct function of the not equal to is that we have to draw one input signal. Suppose the name of the input is IN0081. Okay, now we have compulsory use a block format for the comparison function. So we can take one block and then we have to use one output coil for this particular comparison function. Suppose the output name is CR01. Okay, now what is the block format? We have to take operand 1 and operand 2. Okay, now for the not equal to compare function. Suppose in the operand number 2, the number is given 0087 and in the operand number 1, they will give some register, suppose HR0137. And here we have to draw the ladder diagram for the direct function in the not equal to compare function. So as we discussed in the last session, what is the direct command for the not equal to? It is NEQ. Okay, so they will check the number of operand 1 and operand 2. If both the number are not equal, that time my output goes on. If both the number will be equal, my output goes in the false condition. So this is the direct function that is used for the not equal to compare function. But whenever you draw the PLC program in the PLC function, so the not equal to function is not given in the PLC software. They will give only the equal to function for the greater than equal to function. Okay, so in the list only two comparison function is there, equal to and greater than equal to. So using these two functions, we have to derive the not equal to compare function. Okay, so for that we have to use the equal to function. If the number is equal, if we can put the equal in the normally close contact, that time the number will become not equal to. So the derived function for the not equal to is like this. We have to draw a ladder diagram. First we have to take one input signal. Suppose the name of the input is IN0081 in the block format. We have to take the two operand number 1 and the operand number 2. Okay, and we have to take one output coil. Suppose the name of the output is CR011. Okay, now we have to derive the function for the not equal to. Suppose we can take in the operand number 2, number is 0090 and we have to take one register HR011 in the operand number 1. Okay, so using the equal to function, we have to derive the not equal to compare function. So here we have to write down the command for equal to function. If both the number are equal, that time my output goes on. Okay, if both the number is not equal, okay, that time my second rung output goes on. Suppose the rung number 2, the name of the output is CR02. So this is my actual output for the not equal to, and this is my logic behind to find out that two number will be equal or the not equal. So using the equal to function, we have to derive function for the not equal to number. Clear? Now the third one is the greater than or equal to compare function. So what is the direct function for the greater than or equal to? So simply we have to draw a diagram, take one input signal. Okay, input must be enabled. After that we have to use a block format and one output coil. Okay, in the block format we have to take operand number 1 and operand number 2, and here the name of the output is CR050. Okay, now in the operand number 1, suppose we have to take one register, and in the operand number 2 we have to take some number, suppose 0034. Okay, and we have to use the command for the greater than or equal to, and the command for the greater than or equal to is GE. So we have to write here GE. If the first number is greater than the second number, that time my output goes on. Okay, output will become true. Otherwise, my output goes off. So this is a direct function of the greater than or equal to. Okay, now there is a no derived function of the greater than or equal to. Why? Because greater than or equal to, it is the basic comparison function of this PLC programming. So we have to draw only the direct function for the equal to and the greater than or equal to. And derived function is for not equal to, greater than, less than or equal to. Clear? So the next one is the less than compare function. Okay. So less than, we have to first draw the direct function. So for that we have to take one input signal. Then we have to take one block format. In the block format we have to write the operand number 1 and operand number 2, and this is my output coil. The name of the output coil is CR001. In the operand number 1, we have to take a register for the number. Whenever you write down the theory, you have to take a register or the number. But whenever you draw the function for the example, you have to take the value that is given in the program. So here we have to take two unknown number or unknown register, HR012 and HR030. And what is the compare function of the less? Okay, so whenever we use the less than function, the direct function of the less than is LES. If the number is less than to the another number, that time the output goes on or the true. Other in times the output goes off. Okay, but we have to not use the direct function as a PLC programming. So we have to draw the derived function for the less than compare function. For that, simply we have to take one input signal and the one block format and one output. Name of the input is IN021. Suppose this is CR021. In this block we have to take operand 1 and operand 2. Suppose this is my HR021 and suppose number is 40. Okay. Now we have to derive the function using the basic function, and we have to derive the less than compare function. So for that, if the number is greater than equal to, that time that this output goes on. This is my logic. If two number is not greater than equal to. That means my number is less than to the another number. So we can put here greater than equal to in the normally closed context, and then we have to take one output for the less than equal to. So this is my output rung and this is my logic rung. Okay, so if the number is not greater than equal to, that time this number is always less than to the another number. Okay, so this is the less than compare function. We have to use the greater than equal to basic function to derive the less than compare function. Now, next one is the greater than compare function. So what is the direct function of the greater than compare? So simply we have to take one input signal. Okay, so this is the format for the comparison function. One input, one output and the two operand. Okay, for the direct function of the greater than is GRT, and we have to take two operands, suppose HL021 and HL022. So continuously they will check the value of this register HL021 and HL022. If 21 is greater than 22, that time my output goes on. Otherwise my output goes off. Now greater than compare function, it is the other comparison function for the PLC programming. So we have to derive the greater than compare function using the basic function. So for that, what is the derived function of the greater than compare function? So for that we have to draw some logic. Okay, so first of all we have to take one input, one block format and one output. Suppose IN01, this is my CR01 and this is my operand 1 and operand 2. Okay, and here we have to use the greater than equal to function. Okay, suppose in the operand number 1 HL021, in the operand number 2 HL022. Now we have to find only greater number. So we have to take in the rung number 2. We have to compare two operands at the same, and here we have to use the equal to function. If my number is greater than equal to but not equal to, that time we can get only the greater number. So we have to take logic. Greater than equal to is there, but we cannot take the equal to number. Okay, so that time we can get the main output CR03. Okay, so this is my output. This is my logic. This is my logic behind that, and this is my actual output. If both number are greater than equal to, but we cannot define the equal number, that time we have to put here equal to as a normally closed context. So this is the derived function of the greater than compare function. Next one is the less than or equal to compare function. Okay, so for that, what is the direct function of the less than equal to? So for that, we have to take one input, one block format and one output. Okay, this is my input, this is my output, this is my operand number 1, operand number 2. Suppose we have take value, and here we have to take other register. Okay, if the operand 1 is less than equal to the operand number 2, that time my output goes on. Now the main thing is what is the direct function of the less than or equal to. Okay, so direct function of the less than equal to is LEQ. So using this function we have to find that number is less than or equal to the another number or not. But as usual, the disadvantages of the PLC software is the LEQ function is not given in the PLC programming. So we have to derive the function for the less than or equal to compare function. For that, what is the derived function of the less than or equal to? So we have only two functions, equal to or greater than equal to. Okay, so if my number is not greater than, okay, but equal to is compulsory. So what is the logic? So first of all we have to draw the logic for the greater than equal to number. Okay. This is my operand 1, operand 2. Okay. Here we have to take suppose value 40 and HR021. 0, 0, 4. Okay. Now in first rung we have to use the command greater than equal to. In the second rung we have to use the command equal to. Now we have to find the value less than or equal to. That means it is not greater than to the another number. So it is not greater than equal to, but the compulsory condition it must be equal number. So we can take here equal number. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, we can get the less than or equal to number. So this is my output, and these two rung is logic behind this output. Okay, if number is not greater than equal to, but we have to take the equal portion for this particular operand, and then we have to easily find the less than or equal to number. Clear? So using the direct function equal to and greater than, we have to derive the four other functions that is generally used in the industry or in the PLC program. Okay, clear? Now in the next session, we will study about the different comparison function that is used in the PLC programming other than equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, less than, greater than, and not equal to. Thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt in this session, that you have to ask me in my email ID. Thank you again.